guys, init yung panahon, init yung politika diri sa Cebu, di ba? Sometimes because we have a water crisis in a way. I mean, because of the La Nina, so not only we have a present water crisis, or let's say impending water crisis, it's just not getting worse in Cebu because it's been politicized. The funny thing is this crisis has become a political issue, and simply because the MCWD or the local water board, who practically like they're the ones handling, sila ang main water source of the public, has been politicized. There's like a war who's the real board members, who should manage. So it's not only the mayor has a set of officers that he wants to basically manage the MCWD, the current board, which mga former allies of the mayor are now also in a way rebelling and not giving way to the whim or the wishes of the mayor. And then because the issues escalated, niabot na siya sa local water utilities authority or LUA. Oh yeah, basta that's the government agency handling water resources, or water utilities, water supplies. And they also want, they join in the fray to model the issue. Pag yun samot, diba, they want to suspend the officers, and then everything's gonna be trouble. So diba, so even so Mayor Mike na gusto na ipambutang, they even lockdown na nila dito ang MCWD, giserahan ang dalan, and then isakay sad ang mga other local officials, because kanang other cities like Lapu-Lapu, Mandaue, Talisay, because they're under MCWD gihapan, and they're supporting the present board. They want status quo. So even I think mga governor ni mga kuanin ni governor, mga allies ni of Governor Gwen. So mao na issue karon na mura everything's like it's not a good time to be the mayor right now of Cebu City, of Singapore like Cebu City, because daghan kay issue, may daghan kay gubot, mura daghan kay labad sa and to think next year's an election year, unsa na kani mura daghan na kay issues iba to. It's like, diba, kay dumdum ko sa una kay daghan itong mga dato sad na there are many rich guys, rich people who didn't like Osmeña. Diba? Didn't like the way Osmeña, because in a way maratong authoritarian, pero wala yung ngani na mga issue tanawa ra ni, because they wanted someone who will listen, and now Mike supposedly who will listen, pero mao na daghan i-listen manan, the issues are muddled up, and then daghan na kontra sa si Mike. So I guess there comes a time yung tingali no no matter how friendly you are, mudaghan sa imong mga kontra kay maybe it's the factor in atong age tingali. Maybe kung tiguwang naka o idara na dili tiguwang na ingin na term na o ana murag mas di na maminaw ning mga tao, pero mao ni maning lesson sa atong mga kuan ba, he didn't like Osmeña, kuan lagi, but this time you're getting also a different kind of problem, diba? Di na sad pwede si Mayor Tam kay mo lagi na dugay na sad siya, dugay na medyo idara na sad mo nang daghan sa ganahan new blood kinsa man atong mga new blood niya kani si MCWD chairman man si Joey Dalos. Wala magplano sa mudagan. These are the Labelia guys. So, di ba? Kan factions lagi. Makikauban silang tumulak. Kinsa may mahimong mayor ani. Para sa nako, either ani kung si Dalos ni magmayor, tagan sa ni kontra kay mga tao ni na mga programa kay siya nang mamayor, kontra sa niya gone is the time na mura ba kay stable kay government sa Cebu. Karon murag na lagi medyo na yung mga kuana what you call this, mga wild cards na we don't know what's gonna happen. So walang na, I don't like the way na murag galing na political niya tong water crisis. Of all the times na mag-away-away sila sa MCWD, karon pag yung time na La Nina o init kayo, and then we have now places for being affected by this lack of water. Uhaw ng mga tao, uhaw ang katawan, uhaw ang yuta. Wala, lisod kay na in La Nina or El Nino will La Nina na nito ganina, El Nino will, you know, not only affect our water, water ligo, but also agriculture, food production. Daghan kinag implications, right? So we are in a tough time. This early water crisis lata at the height of summer, then our leaders are not unified pag yun. Grabe in terms of the unity, no? Mura na after na natong team unity this year, team disunity naman ni tanan. Oy, what happened? Diba? What happened? So masa na lagasan ni ganahan ganun, nag-apil-apil ning luwa na to make the issue more difficult. Of all the time, sakto man sa ning mga mayor sa kuan, nasa sila point ba that of all the times na mag-away-away ta kani pag yung panahon na of all lagi. So actually mga isa sa Mike Rama, Mayor Mike, dugay naman ni na issue na ko nag-raise up, di ko ganahan ni mga tawhana na diha, diba? Di ko kauyon, wa ko kauyon ani mga tawhana na nadiha na nagmuan. Ganahan ako ilisan, diba? Because in a way maybe, well, imong irason, you're not satisfied with their performance. So mao na, pero mao lagi na this kakaingon kung bad bagit ng purpose, we don't know. I'm not so privy about their actions. So far man na sad na mangyapoy tubig sa Cebu, pero mao lagi na, are they doing enough? Are they preparing for the worst of El Nino? Diba? Walang ani na hopefully will not politicize utilities, but lami kaingon na ba, it's a nice way of saying na let's not politicize utilities. When come to think of it, utilities are a political issue. Magdana na sila sa government, under government na naging government authority when it comes to utilities, na di na pwede pataka pasudlan even by foreigners, because it's such an important important thing, important in our lives, important factor that we have to have tubig, kuryente, di ba? It's very important aspect of our lives na dapat dili gina ihatag sa laing kuan. Ano ning kamote ning Rivera, asa ni siya padung, uy, ano muliko man ni siya pedestrian lane. Nandi kamuti ang motor, nasa di kamuti na truck. Pero mana, hopefully it's a political thing, but hopefully it's not, it's supposed to be, it should be stable, diba? Dapat stable na. Pero ang problema lang, even the local water boards are appointed by government position, by our leaders. And if our leaders will lose confidence sa kato ilang ipang-appoint or concession na to nila sa election or ron sa, then that's where the problem start, diba? Kung lahi na ang loyalty, diba? Di na po kuhan ba? So mana, I don't know how to solve that. Nisud yung national government na nisud ng luwa, but for me kuhan na lang na I don't know, there should be a peaceful resolution. There should be someone na muhong tarong, di ba? Na ay mo paugatay because sa ilang kuan ba, sa kaning ilang situation naghimo, it's the people who will suffer, and probably their political lives will suffer as well, di ba? Because this can be used to them. For someone mauhaw na mga tao, mauhaw, mawanay kaligo, wanay tubig, then it will become a political issue for them. The names who are involved, well, hopefully will be punished sa baluta. So Ano yung mga paugat-ugat, mga posturing, mga napay, lockdown, ana. Kuan sana. Pero sa tinuod yun na, if you are in their circles, this is a political issue. Dumot ni. So dili mo ka, di ta kaingon, makita mga mere mortals lang dire looking at the sidelines will be at their mercy. So para iampo nila nato sila na malamdagan ang ilang kuan. They will be enlightened to realize na marabag, if they can fix this issue, they could be punished in 2025. And of course, dapat lang kita mga public ba, we have to punish them. Mana akong point lang yan ba, they'll be punished. Pero mana akong ingon na, remember that, remember how kuan ba, para na ako in a way mismanagement ng kung dili ni masulbad ba. These people are the ones na magpakahirap nato, mismo tabang nato, diba, imbis mo serve, diba, yan na sila yung mga political games na dapat din yan duwaan. They should not play around when it comes to utilities, when it comes to water. Let's not play around, or let's not para matagpuan na kaayo, mahangol sa posisyon. Yes, but in the end, it should be solutions na lang yun. Saban yung kunong gibuhat ya, sige, let's say you will be the one sitting sa board ya. Let's say namoy ganahan buhaton, di ba, kontra na mas mayor, naman ay problema ron, katay namoy ganahan buhaton, namoy paliton, namoy ituko, di mo patukuron. That would be kuan, that would be sad, di ba? Ganahan na